Hi, and welcome back to the 2013-14 school year. I wanted to send you a quick tutorial with an update of what we've done with some of the computers over the summer. You'll notice that your teacher machine in your classroom is a Windows 7 machine. All the student machines are still Windows XP for their operating system, but we did upgrade all teachers to Windows 7, and so we're hoping that that really helps with the functionality of everything. Some key things I want to point out to you is this. First of all, since all of you pretty much have a projector connected to your computer, you can set your projector up to be a duplicate of your screen, or you can set it to be an extended desktop. So to do this, you first right click and then you select screen resolution. When that comes up, you'll have a window that looks like this, and it'll show two displays. And right now it is set to be an extended desktop. So I'm just going to drag in from the right side. I had my browser over there, and so if I wanted to drag this to my extended desktop monitor, which for most of you is your projector, if I'm in extended view, I just pull this over, and now it is showing to everybody else in the class. It's on my second one. If I want my displays to be duplicates, I go to this drop down menu and I would select duplicate. What that means then is anything that's on this screen is also projected on the projector. So that means that if you want the students to be watching a video or something like that on the projector, you won't be able to use your computer. So if I were you, I would go with extended display, or extend these displays, have a second monitor, which is your projector, and then anytime you need something, you just drag it over there. So for example, if you're working on a PowerPoint, you would just take and you would drag the PowerPoint over to that side over there, and obviously you can't see it because I can only record on one, but now it's sitting over there and you'd see it being displayed by your projector. When you're all done, you would bring it back over and then you can close it, get rid of it, etc. Okay, and so that's one of the real cool features. So again, if you want it to be a duplicate and be exactly the same, you select that. If you want to extend the display, you select that. Then you hit OK and you're good to go. Alright, some other things about Windows 7 that I just wanted to point out to you is this. You'll have your computer shortcut on your desktop somewhere, or you can go down here to the Start menu and you can find Computer right there on the right side in the middle. Some other things that you have here are Help and Support, Default Programs, Devices and Printers. If you want to see what printers are assigned to you, this is where you'd go. And then right here where it says Printers and Faxes, you would see that I am currently at CMS, and in this building on this computer I have these two right now on my printer selection list. Okay, going back to the Start menu, I have Control Panel. You probably won't need to get into there too much, but your technicians might. If I go to Computer, I can get to my folders either going here, and then here I have my folder system on our server. If you put in a jump drive or any external device, you'll see that right here, and you'll also see your share folder in this section down here. Now there's a couple other ways you can get there. You can get there by clicking your computer shortcut, and notice I got the same screen. Or if I wanted to get right to my documents, I could just go into the Start menu, go up here to my account, which is listed right here, my personal folder. I could select that, and now it comes all to my own personal folder. To get to my documents, I select my documents, and I'm ready to go. Okay. Other things in the Start menu. Microsoft Office, I use that quite a bit, so that's sitting there for me. I have some other programs that I use. If I want all my programs, I select all programs, and now I have my folders with all my programs.